guys, welcome to Tasneem's Tadka. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. I'm Mrs. Tasneem Shahani. Well, today we'll be preparing one of my signature dishes, which is called the mustard chicken. The ingredients for the mustard chicken are plain curds, tomato ketchup, curry patta, corn flour, mustard seeds or rye, salt, coriander leaves, refined oil, red chili powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, lettuce leaves for garnishing, and chicken which is already marinated in red chili powder, corn flour, a little bit of salt and ginger garlic paste. You can either marinate it overnight or you can even marinate it for 3 to 4 hours. So let's fry the chicken and have already preheated the oil. Each piece has to be fried and removed and kept aside. As the chicken is being fried, let's use the leftover marination to make the chicken curry base. We take at least 3 spoons of tomato ketchup. Be a little careful if your curd is even a little sour and the tomato ketchup is sour, your curry base will be sour. A bowl of plain curds. A pinch of salt. A little bit of red chili powder, mix it well to get a smooth paste, and now the next step will do the tadka. To do the tadka, heat a little oil, add a little bit of mustard seeds, add curry patta leaves and add the mixture. Now the gravy is simmering, so let's add the chicken. Mix the chicken. At this point, if you feel your gravy is too thick, you can add probably just a little bit of water. Once the chicken is coated in the gravy, just cover the lid and let it cook for another 5 minutes. It's been nearly 5 minutes. Yes, that's a lovely aroma and the chicken is ready to be served. For the visual appeal, you can just serve it on a plate with a little bit of lettuce down. This chicken can be eaten either on its own or as an accompaniment or just with parathas. With a little bit of coriander and your mustard chicken is ready to eat. Do like and subscribe to Tasneem's Tadka for a new recipe every Thursday. See you again.